Okay, so let's look at how we add an assignment to Google Classroom. I'm going to go to my classwork. I'm going to go to create an assignment, put my title here, put my instructions here, choose our points, choose our due date. I'm going to do a due date of then, and I'm going to do it at 9 o'clock in the morning. Go. So that's there. Now, if you have titles enabled, topics enabled, it will pop up here. Then what we need to do is insert something from our drive. We'll find a doc. Here we go. Click on that. So it's now added to our drive. What we do now is we choose how it's going to be seen. So they can view, they can edit, or this will make a copy for each student. So we click on that. Now each student enrolled in our classroom will get a copy of the assignment to hand in. We can click on assign, or we can click on schedule if we want to assign it later on, not right now, maybe tomorrow morning, maybe next week. So let's just click on assign, and it will instantly assign that assignment to the class. It's assigning now. There it is. It tells me there are 0 handed in and 0 assigned, because at the moment I have 0 people in this class, so that makes a lot of sense. So that's how you add an assignment to a Google Classroom post, with different ways of students seeing it, either viewing it, editing it, or getting a copy each.